Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi 12X, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power key and select power off. And when the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. Once you see the Xiaomi logo, you can let go of those keys and wait for the recovery mode to show up. And from here, you want to select safe mode by using volume keys to navigate. So there we go, and confirm it with power key. And this will now boot the device into safe mode. Now in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything that you have installed yourself will be basically turned off and won't run. And the reason for that is this mode is designed for troubleshooting your device. So if you have some kind of app that might be causing you problems with your device, where it's malfunctioning or you can't do typical things on your device as you would normally do, put it into safe mode and everything should work just fine in here. So there we go. And once you're done with this mode, you can leave it by simply holding the power key and then selecting reboot. And once the device boots back up, it will be back in normal mode. And as you can see, there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.